Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So how you doing? How was your long weekend? Mine was good. So I just am actually uploading the tutorial for this basket right here. It's the same as the other one. This one's just bigger, but I tell you how many rounds I made, so you can make it big or small. So that tutorial will be up sometime today. Sometimes it takes a long time to upload the tutorials because they're so long. Okay, so a while back I put up a community post and said that I was going to add up the yardage that I crocheted between September 1st, 22 and September 1st this year, 23. So I have it all calculated. You guys made some good guesses. And so I had put them in this container just because I had this sitting on my dresser, so I was just throwing them in there. So before the end of August, I took the labels and, I put them together and just took the yardage times whatever number I had here of labels and wrote it on each one so it'd be easier to add up. So I started adding them all up on my phone calculator, and then I got to a certain point where it said that I could not add any more numbers. So I had to start over. So then I added a few groups and then wrote them down, and that added a few more groups. Anyway, you want to see, let's see. You want to see how many yards, and then I converted it to meters as well. So I don't know if you can. They're all in this bag here now. So I wasn't really surprised when I got to the number I did. I know some of you have like 106,000 yards. Well, mine's not even close to that. So my total number of yardages for that year was 39,158, or in meters, that's 35,806, according to Google. So almost 40,000, well, 39,000 rounded off yards. So, it was, like I said, I wasn't surprised by that number. I figured it might be around there, maybe even lower, maybe a bit higher, maybe not. I knew it was going to be nowhere near 100,000 yards. So, yeah. I don't know how some of you crochet that much. I don't know how you do it. Yeah, so anyway, that's it for this video. I have 2 packages of yarn supposed to be here today. So this is, what is this? I don't know. It's Tuesday, September 5th, 23, I think. So I have that coming, and then I have some other yarn coming, and I have that big 5 bags of yarn that I paid $10 for, and of course I'm going to say where I got it from and all that kind of stuff in those videos, but I have yet to record them, and I have a lot of recording to do, so yeah. So just stay tuned, and I have a tutorial. The next tutorial is going to be a really cute little cardi, and I'm so happy. I love that one so much. I love everything I make, but I love that one so much. So you'll see it in the future. And thank you, everyone. I'll see you soon. But first, how many of you save your labels and add up the yardage you crocheted in the last year or knitted? Yeah, let me know. I'm interested. Give me some numbers. Yeah, that would be fun, right? All right, you guys, I'll see you again soon. All right, bye.